Optimierung unserer Fertigung mit Softwarelösungen von ZOLLER.
Through the optimization of our manufacturing process with software solutions from ZOLLER and other software manufacturers, we were able to significantly increase our productivity and reduce our tool costs without additional manpower. The optimization of our tool management brought us process reliability, reduced costs, and more capacity for product innovations. ZOLLER solutions guarantee tool data consistency from incoming job to delivery. Let's start with work preparation of incoming jobs. Machining times and manpower are scheduled. In the next step, the manufacturing process of the workpiece is simulated in eSprite using the tool data provided by the ZOLLER Z, one database via the ZOLLER eSprite software interface. Therefore, process reliability is guaranteed and machine crashes are avoided. From drawing to part, the tool data used in the simulation process is transferred back to the ZOLLER Z, one database, and collected in a setup sheet for the next step. The different tool components are stored in the ZOLLER Tool Organizer. The tool components can be easily managed and located using the 3D assembly kit for virtual storage areas. The correct components can be extracted from the tool organizer compartment with the help of an LED guiding system. In the assembly process, the individual tool components are put together. The complete tools are then presetted and measured using the previously created setup sheet. A ZOLLER Z code label containing all measuring results is printed and put on the tool. On the machine, the code on the label is scanned with the ZOLLER Z code scanner. All tool data is entered into the correct fields automatically and without errors. With ZOLLER, we have a central tool database on which all departments have access to. This is how we set course for the future. With ZOLLER, you get process reliability and get 100% quality from the first part. Benefit from reduced tool costs, quality you can rely on, and satisfied customers.